Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Appending data to a file in PHP, a comprehensive guide. This tutorial will guide you through the process of appending data to a file in PHP, focusing on various methods, best practices, and potential considerations. We'll cover the fundamental functions, explore error handling techniques, and discuss scenarios where appending is the most appropriate solution. Why append data to a file? Appending data, as the name suggests, means adding new content to the end of an existing file without overwriting its original content. This is crucial in scenarios like *logging, *recording application events, errors, or user activities. *data collection, *adding new entries to a dataset without losing previous information, example tracking website hits, form submissions. *configuration files, adding new settings or updating parameters without disturbing existing configurations. Dynamic content updates, building a history of changes or updates within a file. Core PHP functions for file appending. PHP provides several functions to handle file operations, with the most relevant for appending being fopen, write, close, and optionally flock, for file locking. 1. Fopen, opening a file. The fopen function is the cornerstone for interacting with files in PHP. It takes two primary arguments, the file path and the mode of operation. The mode specifies how you intend to interact with the file, read, write, append, etc. For appending, we use the mode. Explanation $file_path holds the string representing the relative or absolute path to your file. A, the crucial append mode. If the file exists, the pointer is placed at the end of the file. If the file doesn't exist, it will be created. $file_handle, a resource that represents the open file. You'll use this resource to write to the file. It's important to check if $file_handle is false. If it is, fopen failed to open the file, likely due to permissions issues, a non-existent file, or an invalid path. *die, a simple error handling mechanism. It terminates the script and prints an error message. In a production environment, you'd want to use more sophisticated error logging. 2. Write, writing to a file. Once the file is opened in append mode, write writes data to it. Explanation $data_to_append, a string containing the data you want to add to the file. The \n character adds a new line, making each appended entry appear on a separate line. $write, $file_handle, $data_to_append, writes the contents of $data_to_append to the file associated with $file_handle. $bytes_written, write, returns the number of bytes written, or false on failure. It's crucial to check this return value to ensure the write operation was successful. Error handling, again, we use die, for simplicity. In a real-world application, you'd implement proper logging and error reporting. 3. Close, closing the file. It's vital to close the file when you're finished with it to release the file handle and ensure that data is properly written to disk. Explanation $close, $file_handle, closes the file associated with the file handle $file_handle. This releases the system resources used by the file. Complete example, appending data to a file. Error handling and best practices. Always check return values fopen, and write, both return values indicating success or failure. Always check these values and handle errors appropriately. Asterisk use try, catch blocks, advanced. For more robust error handling, consider using try, catch blocks to catch exceptions that might occur during file operations. This allows you to handle errors more gracefully. Asterisk file permissions. Asterisk ensure that the PHP script has the necessary permissions to read and write to the file. This is a common cause of errors. The user that the web server runs as, example www.data on Debian/Ubuntu, needs write access to the file and the directory containing the file. You might need to use chmod to adjust file permissions. Be careful when modifying permissions, as overly permissive settings can pose security risks. Asterisk file locking, FLOC. In a multi-user environment or where multiple processes might try to access the same file simultaneously, file locking is essential to prevent data corruption. File locking with FLOC. The FLOC function provides advisory file locking. It attempts to acquire an exclusive or shared lock on a file. While not foolproof, it relies on cooperating processes. It's a good practice to implement. Asterisk explanation. Asterisk A plus opens the file for reading and appending. The pointer is placed at the end of the file. If the file does not exist, attempt to create it. Asterisk flock, $file_handle, lock_x, attempts to acquire an exclusive lock on the file. This means that no other process can acquire a lock until this one is released. Asterisk flock, $file_handle, lock_un, releases the lock. Asterisk error handling, the code checks if the lock was acquired successfully. If not, it displays an error message. Other important considerations. Asterisk buffering. Asterisk PHP buffers file writes. The data might not be immediately written to disk. Flush, $file_handle, can be used to force the buffer to be written. However, excessive flushing can impact performance. Asterisk file size. Asterisk be mindful of the file's size, especially when logging or storing large amounts of data. Consider implementing log rotation or archiving mechanisms to prevent the file from becoming too large. Asterisk alternative file I/O functions. Asterisk PHP also offers file_put_contents, and file_get_contents, which can be more convenient for simple file reading and writing. For appending, file_put_contents, $file_path, $data, file_append, is often used as a shorthand. Using file_put_contents, for appending. Asterisk explanation. Asterisk file_put_contents, $file_path, $data_to_append, file_append, this function simplifies the appending process. Asterisk $file_path, the file path. Asterisk $data_to_append, the data to append. Asterisk file_append, this flag tells file_put_contents, to append to the file rather than overwrite it. Asterisk error handling, file_put_contents, returns the number of bytes written, or false on failure. The code checks for false to determine if an error occurred. Comparison, append/write/close versus file_put_contents. Asterisk append/write/close asterisk. Asterisk more control over file operations, example file locking, buffer management. Asterisk requires more code. Asterisk potentially more efficient for writing large amounts of data in chunks, especially when combined with buffering and locking. Asterisk file_put_contents asterisk. Asterisk simpler syntax, easier to use for simple appending. Asterisk less control over file locking and buffering. Asterisk suitable for smaller data appends or when performance isn't critical. Security considerations. Asterisk sanitize input asterisk if the data being appended comes from user input, example a form, always sanitize and validate the input to prevent security vulnerabilities like log injection or code injection. Use functions like HTML special chars, strip underscore tags, and regular expressions to clean the data. Asterisk file path validation asterisk avoid constructing file paths directly from user input. This can lead to path traversal vulnerabilities, where an attacker can access or modify files outside the intended directory. Use a whitelist of allowed paths or a predefined directory structure. Asterisk permissions asterisk implement the principle of least privilege. Grant the web server user only the necessary permissions to read and write the specific files that need to be accessed. Conclusion. Appending data to files in PHP is a fundamental task with various applications. Understanding the core functions, fopen, write, close, flock, and file underscore put underscore contents, implementing proper error handling, and being aware of security considerations are crucial for writing reliable and secure PHP applications. Choose the method that best suits your specific needs based on complexity, performance requirements, and the level of control you need over file operations. Remember to always close file handles to release resources and ensure data integrity. By following the guidelines outlined in this tutorial, you'll be well equipped to append data to files effectively in your PHP projects.